Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is the successor of Galaxy Note 9. For this, the company follows its Galaxy Note series lineup. There are many leaks and rumors moving on the web. If those are true, this device will be the iPhone X killer. Welcome to Easy Access Tech. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 built with aluminum frame and front back Gorilla Glass 6. It will be IP68 certified water and dust proof. Another attraction of the device are HDR10 and always on display features. Not only a fan, but it will have an S Pen. This pen will be intelligent. It will run on One UI based on Android 5. Some attractive software or service such as Samsung Pay, Bixby, etc. packed with it. It will be powered by Exynos 9820 or Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. For graphics, it will have Mali-G76 MP12 or Adreno 640 GPU. It will 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 128 or 512 GB storage. It also microSD card support up to 1 TB. According to Ice Universe, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will feature a 100x optical hybrid zoom camera. And based on some other leaks, it will have quad camera setup on rear. For selfie, it will have a dual camera setup on display. Good news for 3.5mm jack lover. The company does not remove it from this flagship. For security, it will feature an in-display fingerprint scanner. It also have iris and face scanning feature. For the power source, it will have 4500 mAh non-removable lithium-ion battery. It supports 18-watt fast charging technology. It also supports wireless fast charging. We expect this flagship device's price will start from $899 and it will be launched in July 2019. That's for today. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.